Today we are going to make a small motif. I saw the diagram on Pinterest, but I am not sure where is it originated. I don't know who made it first. But let us start. I will share the link to the Pinterest post. So we are going to make a magic circle. It's like this. In the diagram it was started with chains and make it into slip stitch to make the beginning circle. I am using a magic circle. Then I am going to make chain 1, then making 8 single crochet, 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to close the circle. I'm going to join to the first single crochet with the slip stitch. Then we are going to make a chain 1. The chain 1 is not considered as a stitch. We are going to make a single crochet in the first single crochet. Then we are going to make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and yarn over hook and insert the hook into the single crochet we made just now. Just make a double crochet, 2 more double crochets, 2, 3. Now we skip the next single crochet and go to the next single crochet and make a single crochet over there. Then again make 1, 2, 3 chains and the single crochet. We are going to make a double crochet on the single crochet we made. 1, 2 and 3. Then here we are going to skip 1 more single crochet. Then to the next one we are going to make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, and on the single crochet we make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Then we are going to skip the next single crochet, and in the next one we are going to make another single crochet. Then chain 3 and we make 3 double crochets in the single crochet. Then skip the next one and join to the first single crochet we made. Right, so I'm going to change the yarn color here. So I'm going to, instead of finishing that single crochet, I'm going to just insert the hook, get my, where is the end? Yeah, here. Just attach the yellow, the slip stitch. Then I'm going to make chain 1 and single crochet in the same space. I'm going to cut the pink yarn. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and on that single crochet with the yellow we make a 3 double crochet. Three, and now the chain 3 pink, the chain 3 loop with the pink, we are going to make a single crochet. Then immediately we are going to make a chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the single crochet we made. Now we go to skip these 3 double crochets and on to the top of that single crochet in the pink one, we are going to insert here and make a single crochet. Then we are going to make a chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the single crochet we just made with the yellow. Then we are going to slip stitch, then chain 3 again, and in the single crochet we are going to make a 3 double crochets. Now we go to the single crochet in the between these 2 clusters here, single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet on the into that single crochet we made in yellow. Then we make a single crochet to the top of that chain 3 loop, then make another cluster just like that before, 3 double crochet into the single crochet. Then into the single crochet of the previous round we make a single crochet, then chain 3 and another cluster of 3 double crochet into that single crochet. Now we can join over here with a single crochet. Then we need a chain 3 and 3 double crochet. And we slip stitch to the initial single crochet we made. Now it looks like this. Now I am going to cut the yarn. And we can attach another color. I am going to do with the white, and I am going to attach it here. Make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 chains. Then I am going to make a treble. Treble is yarn over hook 2 times, then insert the hook into that single crochet we made, yarn over hook and yarn over hook. I will show you one more time. And I'll do like this. You can attach the, we are going to slip stitch here, right? So we are going to add the next color, which is white. I'm going to bring it, okay. Now I am going to chain 4, 1 2 3 4, and I am going to yarn over the hook 2 times, then insert the hook in the same space and making a treble. Treble is yarn over hook, go through 2 loops at a time, then yarn over hook, go through the next 2 loops, then yarn over hook, go through the last 2 loops. Okay, then chain 2. Now we are going to make a single crochet into the chain 3 loop. Then make another single crochet into the next stitch. Four. Now we make a 3 single crochet into the next chain 3 loop, then chain 2. Now we make 2 trebles into that single crochet in yellow, then chain 2. Now we are going to make a single crochet in the loop, then make a single crochet 2 3 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7, then chain 2, then again 2 trebles, chain 2, then single crochet over here and single crochet across and 3 single crochet into the chain 3 loop and chain 2, and in the next single crochet in the previous round we are going to make a 2 trebles and chain 2. Single crochet 2 3 4 5 6 7, chain 2. We are making 2 trebles, no, we are not making 2 trebles, we are making chain 2 and a join, chain 2, then we are going to join over here. Hope you like this video. I'm going to do a round of single crochet around it. So chain 1, single crochet in each stitch, 2 single crochet in the chain 2 space, then 1 single crochet in each of the stitches, two single crochet into the chain 2 space, then single crochet on the trebles, then 2 single crochet over the chain 2 space, then single crochet in each stitch, repeat that for each side and join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. This was not given in the diagram, this is just I'm adding some extra to make it looking good for me. Now that's a rounded square. Hope you like this pattern. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you are going to do with this square. See you next time with another pattern. I have different ideas for this same basic pattern, so hopefully I will make other videos for the whatever projects in my mind. So see you next time with another project. Till then, bye bye.